Hare Krishna. Thank you all for coming. On behalf of the ISKCON of Phoenix, I welcome you all to the ISKCON Rath Yatra Festival for 2025. Just a few public service announcements before we begin today. Parents, if you have little kids with you, please make sure they are with you at all times. This is a public place. Last year we had some instances where the kids wandered off from their parents and it was a scary situation. So please keep them with you at all times. And we thank you for your cooperation. Without further ado, we'll kickstart the events today. First, a little bit about the Rath Yatra Festival. So Jagannath Puri is located on the eastern coast of India in the state of Orissa. Lord Jagannath, the Lord of the universe, represents Lord Krishna residing at the middle of the Mammoth temple in the complex of Puri. About 500 years ago, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, an incarnation of Lord Krishna, remained at Jagannath Puri and danced always in the Rath Yatra festival. Nityananda Prabhu, an incarnation of Lord Balram, was always joined by Lord Chaitanya in the procession together in several of their associates. Lord Chaitanya was present at Jagannath Puri for 18 years and finally he was said to have entered the Jagannath temple and merged with the deity of Lord Jagannath. So please give a big round of applause. We are here gathered on this auspicious occasion of the Rath Yatra festival. Go ahead, we can do better. I know we are tired, the sun is beating down, but it's only 70 degrees. The first performance of our cultural event today is a Bharatanatyam performance by Sanjana. She is a student of Madhu Ghatikar from the what school of dance? From the Nateshwari School of Dance. Thank you. Please give a big round of applause for Sanjana.
मूषिकवाहन मोदक हस्ता चामर करना विलंबित सूत्र वामन रूप महेश्वर पुत्र विघ्न विनायक पाद नमस्ते नमस्ते
We can do better. Please give Sanjana a big round of applause. Thank you, Sanjana. That was a lovely dedication of flowers.